40, stone cold drugs. Stone cold, rolling stone, I'm a stone nigga. Write it on my tombstone, I was stone nigga. Don't remember me as a wannabe New Orleans nigga. Slash lean, sippin' Tennessee nigga. No, influenced by Houston, hear it in my music. A trill nigga to the true will show you how to do that. My old gold grills give her cold chills. Says she got a coat feel cause I'm so trill. Two dope boy scale, but I sold pills. No deal,